Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give a very good update about work from home job opportunity. This opportunity is from a very reputed company and this work can be done from home remotely. You can be seated in any place around the world, not only India, but the job is available for people around the world. You can be in any country or continent like Europe, Asia, Africa, anywhere, and you can take up this job. And I will tell about all the job details in this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the video. This is my blog daytodayreads.com. Here, press work from home. Here, if you go down, I have written many articles about various job opportunities. You can check all of them. There are nearly 200 to 250 articles and each article has a job link where you can apply directly. Here, we are going to talk about remote job opportunities at Dataforce. When you click this blog, this page will open. What we are going to see today is work from home job opportunity from Dataforce. You are going to earn in dollars and there is no age restriction or no investment and anybody can apply for this job. You do not have any training or skill set. You need not have any basic qualification, degree, or you can study. You could be a graduate or a postgraduate. Anybody can apply for this job. What you are going to do is basically take photos and record audio. I will fully explain the job in the video. If you come down, there are two varieties of jobs here. You can read about the jobs and about the company here. If you come down the articles, there are two job varieties. Let's see one by one. First, press this link, job 1. And this page is open. Here, as you can see, I have told anybody who's seeing this video can apply for this job and you can be seated in anywhere around the world. It is available in Asia, Australia, Europe, global, Ireland, Middle East. As you can see, around the world, wherever you are, and you can work for this job. Now, I'm going to talk about the Asia and remote locate jobs. First one is Saturn email collection jobs. This job is available in India. So let's see the Indian jobs now. The purpose of this project is to collect corporate emails which you receive from organizations to improve anti-spam email filtering technology. So you're just going to have very easy work. You are just going to collect emails. Let's check this job. This is remote job and is available in India, Philippines, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore. Let's preview this job. What is this project about? The purpose of this project is to collect corporate emails which you have received. So we are generally getting so many emails which are spam like advertisements. Those emails you are going to collect. The email should be not older than 1st January 2021 and should only be in English. You will share the email in EML or MSG formats that you receive and you will submit a total of 50 emails. As you can see, every day we are getting hundreds of spam emails. You are going to just submit those emails. These are the categories in which the emails can be submitted like travel, utility, calendar, reminders, digital signature, lease and property notices. And there can also be transactional emails which they have mentioned here. The subject line should consist of a minimum 4 words and it should be a corporate domain name. That's all. The criteria is very easy and it can be from any email like Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Outlook, etc. So just you have to get the spam emails and submit here. The only eligibility criteria is you should be 18 years or older and should be a resident in India, Philippines, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore. And you will receive $1 for each accepted transaction email and $2.5 per each accepted time-sensitive email. And a payment can be made in PayPal. If you want a bank transfer, you can go through PayPal or a gift card can be given and they also do local wire transfer. How long does it take to receive the payment? The task duration varies depending on how many emails you share and the speed of your internet connection. So as you can see, this job is very easy. It's not even a job. You can just do it in part-time. Even if you are working elsewhere, you can just take up this job and you can, if you have any doubts, you can ask them by mailing this address. So if you are interested, you have to just fill up this form, your first name, last name, email, country of residence, phone number, terms and conditions, and just press next. That's it. This is a very, very easy work. You can just apply for this job. Let's see another job. The next job is image collection. The purpose of this project is to collect photos of indoor and outdoor hobbies and sport activities from your personal photo gallery. Let's preview this job. See, what you are going to do is just collect photos from your phone, and you should be 18 years of old, 18 years or older, and you should be in these countries. Be able to upload photos of indoor activities. That's it, girl. Everybody have a phone now and keep on clicking photos. You have to just upload these photos. See, and you will be receiving 0.5 USD dollar for each photo. And similarly, as I have told, you can get a gift card or transfer it to the PayPal address. And you have to, if you are interested in job, just fill the below details and press next. Let's see another job. Banyan Audio Collection India. This is for exclusively India. The purpose of this project is to improve in-car voice assistant command systems. Following the guidelines, you will record a provided set of English sentences in 3 short sessions across 3 days. The recording sessions will have to be done inside a car with different setups. This is fully remote project. You must reside in India to qualify for this project. So this is a very, very interesting and easy job, guys. What you have to do is they will give few sentences and you should sit inside a car and record this audio once with the AC on and another when the AC is not on. That's it. This is a very, very interesting and very easy job. Let's preview this job. See, following the guidelines, you will record a provided set of English sentences. That's it, inside and outside the car. Who's eligible? 18 years or older, and in India, you should be fluent in English and you should have a smartphone. This is a remote project I have already told, and you can start the work immediately, and your successful participation will be rewarded with $20. So the payment is $20. There's a special campaign update also. If you deliver the recordings between June 8th and 30th June, you will be given $25. And the payment method is PayPal, gift card and wire transfer. So this is very, very easy. Just you have to record in your smartphone. And if you are interested, you can fill in this form and join. Let's see another job. This is image collection. This is only for Japan. Let's skip this. But if you are in Japan, you can check this. And Tomaline video collection. This is short videos collection. This is available in India and Thailand. Let's preview the job. You will need to collect short videos recorded inside or outside different transportation vehicles, such as trains, subways, light rails, buses, cars, planes, boats, etc. Now, every one of us have a phone and keep on recording videos. That's what you have to do. And you should be 18 years or older, and you should be a resident of India or Thailand. This is a full-time remote project, and you will receive 0.30 USD per video. As I told, they will send you the money in PayPal or as a gift card. And if you are interested, you can just fill this form. Let's see another job. There is another audio collection job. This is available in Singapore. See, if you are in Singapore or Taiwan or any part of the world, you can check that other jobs also. Let's see another job. You can go to my blog and click job 2. Here there are jobs for all countries as I've told. Now I am going to select just India. Wherever you are seated around the world, you can select the jobs accordingly. And work model, there are so many work models like remote, on-site and hybrid. I will choose remote. See, there is one job available for Indians. It is a project contributor India. Let's view this job. It is a task-based project. Participants will be tasked to record a provided set of English sentences in 3 short sessions across 3 days. The recording sessions will have to be done inside a car with the different setups. That is with AC on and without AC on. You should be 18 years or older and should be in India and should be fluent in English. And you should record the video within a car. This is just simple, just recording of your audio. This is a very easy job. If, as I already told, this is a very easy job, and if you are interested, you can just apply for this job. Hope you loved my video today. I'll be coming up with so many updates like this which are very useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.